We often see log₃, log₂, log₃, but what about log₃? So what does it equal to base 10, base e, or base 2? So let's explore the logarithmic of 3 in different bases and why it matters more than you might think. So a logarithmic, to what exponent must the base be raised to get a given number? So common logarithmic, base 10, if the base is 10, it is approximately 0.4771, and its natural log, that means base is e. Here base is 10. When base is e, so log₃ is approximately 1.0986. Now when it's binary log, that means when base is 2, so log₃ with base 2 is approximately 1.58496. So we can see that when the base changes, the value changes. And we can see how the base depends on the value. In different cases, the value are different. I hope you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.